Mixing rice with mango might sound odd, but it's not crazy, trust me. It's one of those combos that surprises you, then delights at first bite. Let's start with the rice. Soak it in water for a few minutes to hydrate. Don't rinse it like for moro rice. We want it creamy, sticking to the spoon, hugging every flavor we add. Cook it in a pot with double water over medium heat. Once water is gone and grains are cooked but not mushy, turn off the heat. Now for the magic: coconut milk, coconut cream, and natural sweetener or sugar. Your call. It's cooking, not a math test. Stir lovingly, no rush. Let it heat and blend till it thickens and bubbles like whispering sweet secrets. We're back with the rice, and as you can see, it's fully cooked now. Pour the creamy coconut mix over the rice and stir with a large spoon, gently now. Don't be rough with it. This isn't just a dish, it's coconut poetry. Set it aside. We want it warm or even cool, not hot. Now enter the mango. Not just any mango. One so ripe you can smell it before you even open it. Peel and slice it into long, glistening pieces. I love mangoes that feel like pillows and ooze soul-staining juice when cut. Now grab some rice paper wrappers. Yes, the same ones you use for spring rolls. Soak them in hot water for a minute, till they're soft as wet silk. Be patient here. If you rush, they'll tear. Place them gently on a board, and the tropical assembly begins. Add some chia for texture and that camera-loving, palate-pleasing visual flair. Then, arrange mango slices neatly, like golden petals on display. Top with coconut rice, a creamy mix that's secretly become dessert. Fold them carefully, like little bundles of joy. Gently, not too tight, and if a bit spills out, that's part of the charm. See? No oven, no fryer, no fuss. Just mango, rice, and coconut in a recipe you didn't know you needed. It's juicy, soft, sweet, fragrant, with melting and crunchy textures. So next time someone mentions mixing rice with mango, don't make that face.